Have you ever spent several minutes writing the perfect prompt in Claude AI, hit send, and then suddenly got the frustrating message too long error? Yeah, it's annoying. But the good news is, fixing it is actually pretty simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the Claude AI message too long error in just a few easy steps. First, let's understand why this happens. Claude AI has a limit on how much text it can process in a single message. If your prompt, document, code, or conversation becomes too large, Claude may reject it and display the message too long error. The fastest solution is to break your content into smaller parts. For example, instead of sending a 10-page document all at once, divide it into sections and send them one by one. This makes it easier for Claude to process and usually solves the issue immediately. Another trick is to remove unnecessary text. A lot of people paste entire articles, long chat histories, or huge blocks of code when only a small portion is actually needed. Try shortening your input and focus only on the important parts. If you're working with large documents, ask Claude to analyze them section by section. For example, you can say, "Please review part 1 first. I'll send the remaining sections after." This method works surprisingly well. Also, if you've been chatting with Claude for a long time in the same conversation, the context can become very large. In that case, start a new chat and paste only the information Claude actually needs. One more tip. If you're uploading files, try reducing the file size or splitting the file into multiple smaller files before uploading. So, to fix the Claude AI message too long error, split large prompts into smaller sections. Remove unnecessary text. Start a fresh conversation if the chat is too long. Send documents in parts. Reduce file sizes when uploading. That's it. A simple fix that can save you a lot of frustration and help Claude respond faster and more accurately. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more AI tutorials on the channel.